Wow, that was amazing performance. खुदा करे कि मेरे अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरे अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan celebrates 23rd March on every year with great spirit and enthusiasm. Every year, on this day, the government arranges the special event to give respect on this day. The Lahore Resolution Day, parade by the armed forces, is the main celebration of the event. It determined for all Muslims a true goal and their homeland in northeast and northwest. So I would like to invite Mr. Siab to come up on stage with his speech on topic 23rd March.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. President, I am here with the topic 23rd March, Independent Day. As I start, Pakistan Day, also known as Pakistan Resolution Day, is celebrated on 23rd of March every year. The kingdom of the subcontinent were not allowed to practice on their religion. The monument Minar Pakistan reminds us of some great moments of our history. At the same day we celebrate Pakistan Republic Day because on 23rd March 1956 Pakistan's first constitution was made. Pakistan became Islamic Republic on the map of the world. That is why on the same day we celebrate Resolution Day and also Republic Day with enthusiasm and traditional zeal. We should not forget that Pakistan is a priceless gift for us. As a reward the great sacrifices of our forefathers, providing us with the platform not only enjoy the freedom but to practice our religion activities according to the principle of Islam. This is a state where not only Muslim but other minorities are given equal rights. This was not possible without the leadership of Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah and our ancestors. 23rd March reminds us all how our forefathers collected their stand, demonstrated a magnificent unity to gain a separate independent homeland. Men lose their lives, women lost their chastity, parents lost their children. As a result, the green and white flag flapped on the blue horizon. While celebrating this day, we should not forget the purpose for which we gained this homeland. This day also reminds us of the fact that in a united effort, the sexes become the faith. In the end, I would just say that Pakistan is a precious gift for us. We all are going through hard times, but we need to preserve the ideology of Pakistan. It is the time to be united and collective effort to achieve our goals as a nation. Pakistan! Pakistan!